In the last week's analysis, we did talk about the higher lows it is trying to show, and precisely this time it refrained from achieving the bottom. NASDAQ100 has given a stronger bullish reversal. It is still falling shy of achieving the highs, which are situated at about 12,040 levels. Yes, these are the high which, if it continues to trade bullish from here, 12,200 levels should get achieved. But what to expect next week, whether it is going to continue with the bullish momentum, or are we looking forward to a drop from here? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits, as you will be also missing the daily analysis which I share for NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones. In fact, twice a day I share this update and targets, first with the Asia session and next with the USDCAD session. So do watch it, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels. Towards the end, I will give you the strategy and the levels to watch out for. Now let's have a look at the daily chart first. On the daily chart, see, it has formed the bottom out there, and you can find out there was a clear-cut resistance at this zone 11,650, 700. It is trading above these levels. Now this was the box in which it was trading 11,650, 10,600. So yes, these were the 1,000 points out of which now it is trying to trade. The next resistance zone is going to be 12,000, which is going to be a very strong resistance zone. Trading about 12,000, the next target is towards 12,400 levels, which is going to be the next resistance. Now see, it is coming out of this square box of 1,000 points in which it was trading. Now trading outside this, potentially it may try to remain bullish. And now when we see, now look at this closely, it has given higher lows, one breakout candle, but look at the candle size on the last trading session. On the last trading session, we just saw a very small body size here, indicated that the bulls are not trying to take it further. So we have to stay cautious. They are achieving 12,000 levels. We will see how it behaves at 12,000 level. We may see a muted move here. 12,000, 12,050 certainly is going to provide a good resistance. We have to watch out how it behaves here. Probably achieving these levels, it can try to drop from there. There is a probability which exists. Why so? Because see, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade, and the highs of this channel are also at around same levels, and hence you have to remain cautious there. Now this is the daily charts. Also on the daily charts, now see this, let me show you a little bit broader picture. Now can you see the drop started from here? You can see it dropped till around 13,000 levels. Retracement again taking it till towards 15,000. Drop coming back to 12,000, and it's stabilizing here. It then a reversal taking it till towards 14,000. Sharp drop, further lower lows, 10,400 levels are seen, and now it is trying to reverse. So what could be expected? If you connect the dots here, you will find that the highs are somewhere here at around 12,500 levels, which are going to be a very strong resistance. So 12,400 levels, 12,500 levels are definitely going to be a very strong resistance for NASDAQ 100 now. Also remember this fact, see, these are the lows of this channel, but see this, it is reversing from the midway here. It is reversing from the midway, indicates that there is a potential for it to now achieve those levels before it tries to look downwards, and at around those levels for 12,500, 12,800, 13,000 zone, even for this 600 points, this is going to get maximum resistance from where it is potentially, it may try to show you reversal, because beyond that it is definitely going to act further bullish. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, this is the second green candle. Now look at the performance of the monthly charts. If you connect the dots here, you will find that the highs of this channel are again somewhere here at 12,500, 13,000. Also the lows of this channel are far away, and this time it is trying to give you higher lows. So the potential and possibility for it exists that it can try to show you a rise around 12,400 levels, and in fact it can try to trade further highs. It can try to achieve further highs at around close to 13,000 levels. So there is a possibility that it may continue with the bullish momentum. It has already formed the tail for the month. Now it is trying to form a body. The previous body was almost off. You can find out 500 points, which is almost trying out from here. So 12,000 levels definitely should get achieved towards the end of the month, I am telling. And yes, there is a possibility that it can give you equal size of candle, taking it till towards 12,400, 500, and in fact a further highs may take it till towards 13,000 levels. The possibility exists, and from there the reversal can be expected. Now this is just on the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? And if you look at the indicators, it is trading above the 20 and 50 period moving average, just tad below the 100 period moving average, which is situated at around 12,000 levels, which are definitely a very good resistance level for NASDAQ 100. Now see this directional movement, looking forward to a bullish crossover. The stochastic is entering into overbought levels. The MACD has just crossed over. This is second green candle. It may continue with the further greener candles. It may continue to rise. It may continue to trade bullish. Possibility exists. The RSI looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts to 12,000 levels, certainly a very good resistance. Then 12,800, 900 levels should come into picture. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. The directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge here. Let's see if it crosses over for a bullish move. Stochastic was oversold, looking upwards. Now look at this here. See, these were the times when stochastic went overbought. These were the times when stochastic went overbought on the weekly charts. And now it is trying to achieve the same levels, which are further lower levels at around 12,500 or 800 levels, which indicates that still it is trying to trade bearish, possibly at achieving those zone at 12,500, 800 or 13,000 at max. It can again try to reverse and continue with the bearish momentum. So do not consider this as bullish till the time it trades up below 13,000 levels. Now look at the weekly chart. There is a potential bullish crossover here on the MACD also, potentially indicating that it may trade bullish from here. RSI looking upwards, indicating little strength on the upside. Now look at the monthly chart. 13,000, 14,000 levels is stronger resistance zone, trading comfortably at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Here it is trying to show you a reversal. It may try to achieve the median or at least a little above that, and hence 13,500, 800 levels should get achieved. If you see the directional movement, this is bearish and it is willing to converge here. The stochastic is trading near to bottom, looking forward to a potential rise. The MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge. See, the highs are done. It is looking forward to converge. Once it crosses over, it may indicate bullishness. The RSI was trading overbought few months back. Now it has come back to comfortable levels. So what to expect? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. See, it is already near to overbought levels, and hence probably we may see a little swing, and hence you have to trade with caution there. Now look at this before I give you the levels. Yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The last batch for this year is going to start on 28th of November. First, invest in your learning. The strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. And you can start the new year 2023 with a big bang. So do invest in your learning and do join the classes. Else you can be part of my signals group. See, we have gathered thousands and thousands of points in just few weeks. Almost 10 to 15,000 pips we are gathering in 1 month. Reach out to me for more details. So say my Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel description. Do read the channel description. In the about section of this channel, you will find my contact details. You can reach out to me for more details on any of your trading or training queries. Now let's have a look at the trading levels for next week. 11,840. If you see NASDAQ 100 trading above 11,840, you should take a buy position there. Expect 11,920. First resistance 11,950. Next resistance, and then 12,000. Now 12,000 is going to be certainly a very good resistance. In fact, it may try to achieve little bit high, and then 12,040 levels to be seen. Once this zone at 12,040, 12,000 certainly is going to be a big resistance. Beyond that, certainly you are looking at 12,100, 12,265, and beyond 12,265, 12,400. Remember 12,400 and 12,500. These are the two levels you should note out. Beyond 12,000 levels, this is the next strongest resistance zone between 12,400 and 500. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It is looking forward to 12,800 levels and 13,000 levels. This is going to be definitely a stronger resistance zone for NASDAQ 100. But we have to trade as per the levels. If it tries to swing, you have to enjoy the swing. Just buy at these levels, close at targets, and please trade with the trailing stop loss till 12,000 levels. Certainly, it can drop achieving from those levels. On the downside, I will recommend you to take a sell position below 11,760. Below 11,760, you can sell there for 11,700, the very good support, and 11,650. Below this, 11,550 11,450 and then 11,400 to come into picture. The next support, maximum support on NASDAQ 100 is at 11,400. Below 11,400 we can expect 11,200, 11,000 as the next support, and below that it is going to crash strongly on the downside. I do see a little swing, be it on the upside or the downside. Possibility exists that NASDAQ 100 may give you a good swing, and hence you have to trade with caution till towards 11,700 and 11,400 levels. It can definitely bounce back from those levels. On the upside, there is a probability that 12,000, 12,040 first resistance, 12,200, 12,400, 500 levels. The next resistance should be very good resistance, and hence you have to keep closing your trades which you have activated, whether be it on the buy side or sell side. Once the target is achieved, you should close this trade either, or if you see it in same direction, re-enter the same trade but at a higher level so that you can profit more. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.